Hey Katie, I'm loving these new essential oil bracelets that Simply Earth released. What's all on them and how do they work?
So, along with regular beads, we also have lava beads, and that's where the magic happens.
How do they work?
So the lava beads are porous, and they absorb the essential oil, which can slowly diffuse over time.
Perfect. So if I'm putting essential oils on these little beads, how long is this supposed to last for?
Probably about 5 hours.
Okay, good to know.
Give or take. So some oils evaporate faster than others, so depending on that.
That's really cool, Katie. So are there other ways we can use these lava beads?
There are. I'm gonna share a few ways with you in this video.
Perfect.
All right, so one of the ways you can make your own Lava Rock Diffuser is you can make your own jewelry.
Okay.
Add them to a bracelet or necklace, or when I used to be super into friendship bracelets.
Those are fun.
Yeah, so you could add some beads to that to make your own diffuser. You can also just put them in a bowl and set them somewhere where you'd like a bathroom or your desk.
Okay.
It's good for scenting a small space.
Okay.
Or you can place them in a base of a fake plant, which is what we're gonna do today.
All right.
So the first thing to do is to pick out what essential oils you wanna use on your lava rocks.
Okay.
Lava beads. And we are going to use the bonus diffuser blend from this month's box.
Woo, bonus blends.
That our recipe box subscribers got this month. So once you have your blend picked out, you'll want about 5 total drops.
Okay.
And you can go ahead and add those to the beads.
Okay, so 3 of the orange, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, patchouli's a thicker oil, so it does take longer to come out of the bottle. Just keep that in mind.
Yep. All right, so yeah, that's a good way to mix it around, shake it around a little bit. So the beads will be coated in the oils. You probably don't want to touch them in case.
Yeah, you're not diluting it.
Yep, it could irritate your skin.
I'm shaking them. Look at
Shake
them rolling.
them, get them coated, get them rolling. Once the oil has absorbed into the beads a little bit, you can add them to the base of your plant. So let's turn it around. Turn around, plant. And it looks pretty cute, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. And it smells really nice too.
So it's it's a little diffuser that you can really put anywhere, in a bathroom, at your desk. Those are my favorite places because it's best for
smaller spots.
Yep.
I'm Shyla.
And I'm Katie. We're certified aromatherapists for Simply Earth, and we love teaching people new ways to use essential oils.
Make sure you go to our website to check out our blog. We have all kinds of past recipes on there and all kinds of ideas for you.
Yep, just head to simplyearth.com. Thanks
See
for
you
watching.
later.